The appearance is more refined and concise. Let's compare their process flows. More concise capsule seeding station adopts independent support and power separation design. Linear track for capsule control accurately adjust the capsule control frame opening size, making the station debugging more convenient and operation more silent. The old machine structure is complicated and cumbersome, inconvenient for debugging, maintenance and cleaning, with louder noise during operation. Auto rotation after capsule seeding achieves 100% separation of capsule shells. The new capsule hopper and front plate of the sub-hopper can be opened separately for simple disassembly. Faster cleaning without remaining capsules in the hopper. The old capsule hopper is difficult to disassemble and clean. Also easy to remain the capsule. The new filling power adopts synchronous belt planetary deceleration and multi-stage positioning design, so it is strong and the filling is more stable and silent. The old filling power is a gear-type planetary mechanism, so the transmission ratio is low. The new capsule locking station with built-in cylinder and air pipe, more concise and safer. New capsule locking structure with more reasonable locking action and low failure rate. Old capsule locking structure is floated. The wire, air tube and sensor are external, easy to entangle. The opening and closing structure design is unreasonable and easy to be damaged. New capsule discharge hopper adopts split design, and in the machine outside, easy disassembly and cleaning with powder sieving function. Equipped inspection port with the outlet for convenient maintenance. The old capsule discharge hopper is built in, inconvenient for maintenance, disassembly and cleaning.